Hey guys, back. So I pulled out, there's mosquitoes everywhere. So I put some towel stuff on. That's new. Oh crap. Hold on. Let me put this seat down too. No, wrong one.
North winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 40s.
Alright, so now I've set you guys on the other side. So, this is where you guys will probably stand. I might stand you guys in front, but... Alright, I moved into here because the storm is right near. I also brought my chargers and stuff. Oh, it says lightning was detected near Muskego. So I got, oh, it's starting to rain, it says.
Highs in the mid-70s.
It says rain.
Tuesday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of light rain, showers, and thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 50s. Wednesday, partly sunny with a 20% chance of light rain.
Spotter activation will be needed this afternoon into early evening hours.
Partly cloudy.
Would you look at that? It's gonna have to go off again.
Thursday night, partly cloudy.
Which is
A
pretty
20%
good.
chance of light rain, showers, and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 70s. Lows in the lower 50s.
Yep.
Friday, partly sunny with chance of light rain, showers, and slight chance of thunderstorms.
It's gonna be here.
70.
Oh,
Chance of precipitation 30%. Again, the forecast for southeast Wisconsin, including Milwaukee.
I'm not even gonna open up the top.
For rest of today, cloudy. Scattered rain showers and thunderstorms early in the afternoon. Then periods of rain showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 50s near the lake and in the mid-60s inland. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 90%. The 3 p.m. weather observations across Wisconsin and nearby states. In Milwaukee, it was cloudy. The temperature was 56 degrees.
Storm.
The dew point 47. The relative humidity was 71%. The winds were
observatory. Observatory.
pressure was
Yeah.
29.7.
Let me turn you guys around so you can see what you guys are looking
In
at.
Kenosha, it was fair, and it was 70. In Racine, it was partly sunny, and 57. At Waukesha, it
I
was
want to open
cloudy,
up the back.
and 66. In West Bend, it was fair. The temperature was 63. At Madison, light rain was falling, and 67. In the Hills, it was fair, and 71. In La Crosse, it was fair, and it was 75. At Dubuque, it was fair, and it was 77.
Alright, so
In Waterloo, it was fair, and 79.
I'm gonna have to end you guys again.
It was fair, and 64.
I'm gonna plug you guys into
River,
this
it was fair.
power outlet back
Temperature
here.
was 67.
But maybe I won't have to. Maybe I'll be able to get you guys in.
And 82. In Chicago, it was partly sunny.
3, 2, 1, go.
At St. Louis, it was mostly sunny. And 86. At Des Moines, it was mostly sunny. And 82. At the Twin Cities,
There we go.
it was fair.
Phew.
And
Okay,
72.
we did it.
Again, in Milwaukee, it was 56.
Okay, so here's the sky.
A few marine observations. At the
And the good part is we got this big roof right here, the trunk roof, so we'll be able to see, we'll be protected from at least almost any torrential rain that's going on. If there even is torrential rain.
14 knots, gusting to 16.
Crap, it's on its
In
way.
the Kenosha Harbor, the air temperature was 54. The winds were east at 30 knots. At the Mid-Lake buoy, the air temperature was 44. The winds were northwest.
Rain in
6
4
knots,
minutes.
gusting to 19.
And we got a strong, if you guys can hear that
The
thunder.
water temperature was 42.
In fact, I'm actually gonna put my
Forecast.
iPad in the front.
Severe thunderstorm watch 305 in effect until 9 p.m. this evening. Through early evening, east wind 5 to 10 knots. Showers and thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds and large hail. Waves around 1 foot. Tonight, north wind 5 to 10 knots.
I have to restart my
back to
I'm pretty sure I've
northwest
said
early in
this
the morning.
before, but I have to restart my
Showers
iPad every
and
single
thunderstorms
time.
likely in the evening.
Charge it.
Waves 1 to 2 feet. Sunday, northwest wind 5 to 10 knots becoming north 10 to 15 knots late in the morning. Then veering northeast 5 to 15 knots.
Because seat heaters and air conditioning takes a lot of battery power, and I could turn on the engine every once in a while.
Waves around 1 foot. Sunday night, east wind 5 to 10 knots backing northeast late in the evening. Then coming north after midnight, becoming northwest early in the morning.
The reason why I put that bug spray on is A, because there's probably mosquitoes everywhere, and B, there's like mosquitoes everywhere in the
5 to
car.
10 knots backing south late in the morning, then backing southeast early in the afternoon, becoming south 10 to 15 knots late in the afternoon.
We have 2 sunroofs.
Sunny. Waves around 1 foot. Lake Michigan forecast beyond 5 nautical miles from shore south half tonight. North winds 10 to 20 knots becoming northwest 10 to 15 knots. Chance of rain, showers, and thunderstorms this evening. Damaging winds and large hail this evening. Waves 2 to 4 feet.
Wait, hold on.
Sunday, north winds 10 to 15 knots becoming northeast 10 to 20 knots. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Sunday night, north winds 10 to 15 knots becoming northwest 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 to 3 feet subsiding to 1 to 2 feet.
I have to bear.
Monday, west winds 5 to 10 knots becoming southwest 10 to 20 knots in the afternoon. Waves 1 to 2 feet. This is the NOAA Weather Radio KEC 60 in Milwaukee. The current time is 3:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of east central Wisconsin, south central Wisconsin, and southeast Wisconsin. For rest of this afternoon and tonight, scattered thunderstorms are expected for the rest of this afternoon and into the early evening hours. These will be most likely along and south of the I-94 corridor. Large hail and high winds will be the main threat, though a tornado or two is not out of the question.
I'm gonna take a picture.
Frequent lightning can also be expected. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Saturday. There are small chances for thunderstorms from Tuesday night through Wednesday evening. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will be needed this afternoon into the early evening hours.
There we go.
Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for the nearshore waters from Sheboygan,
Yeah,
Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois. For rest of this afternoon and tonight, thunderstorms are expected through early this evening.
There we go.
Some storms may be strong to severe, especially near and south of North Point Lake, where a severe
as soon as you
thunderstorm
take it,
watch
you
is
have
in
to wait for it
effect
to
until
show
9
up.
p.m. Hail, high winds, and locally higher waves will be possible. And now the extended outlook for the
there it
Sunday
is.
through Saturday. Gusty north winds will approach small craft advisory levels on Sunday.
It looks a lot
There are small
darker
chances for thunderstorms from Tuesday afternoon into Wednesday
in real
evening.
life. The camera makes it look a bit
Now
lighter.
here is the hazardous weather
But
outlook for
I'm
the
gonna see if
open
I can
waters
catch
of
some
Lake
lightning
Michigan.
strikes.
For rest of this afternoon and tonight, scattered thunderstorms will continue across the southern portions of the lake for the rest of this afternoon into the early evening hours. A severe thunderstorm watch is in effect until 9 p.m. High winds, locally higher waves, and large hail are all possible. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Saturday. There are small chances for thunderstorms from Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday evening.
Notifications.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 305, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Dane,
1
Greene,
minute.
Jefferson, Kenosha, Milwaukee, Racine, Rock, Walworth, and Waukesha, and the following: nearshore waters from North Point Lighthouse to Wind Point, nearshore waters from Wind Point to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, Lake Michigan from North Point Light to Wind Point, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, and Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, and the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Lake, McHenry, and Winnebago. Remember,
There's this big chunk that is right behind us, this big chunk of red
for the
crap.
development of severe
You guys see
weather,
anything?
including large hail and damaging winds
I think I should keep you guys
and close
focused
to the watch area.
just until it
While
gets
severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible
Oh
warnings.
my gosh, it's so hard.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe
Just do
weather
what I
information.
want. There we go.
An area of strong thunderstorms will affect Walworth and Rock counties through 4 p.m. At 3:06 p.m., strong Strong thunderstorms were clustered near Whitewater and Janesville, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Winds in excess of 40 miles an hour and high electrical are possible with these storms. Locations include Janesville, Beloit, Whitewater, Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Milton, Edgerton, Evansville, East Troy, Williams Bay, Genoa City, Walworth, Clinton, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Orfordville, Footville, and Como. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning and heavy rain are occurring with these storms. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm.
Oh, it's probably... Oh, yeah, there's some rain on the...
Storms may intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio stations and available television stations for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for south central and southeastern Wisconsin. Here is the Wisconsin weather synopsis. Cooler weather is expected for today, with highs back in the 60s.
Wait, hold on. Did you guys just see a flash?
Scattered thunderstorms will occur across the south today, with a few strong or severe thunderstorms possible. Sunday and Monday should be nice days for most of the state, with highs Sunday in the 60s and the 70s, and low to mid-70s for most areas on Monday. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for southeast Wisconsin.
Oh, yeah, that was definitely some
Rest of
lightning.
today, cloudy. Scattered rain showers and thunderstorms early in the afternoon. Then periods of rain showers and thunderstorms
here comes the
in the
wind.
afternoon.
Picking up wind
Highs in the upper
speed.
50s near the lake and
Birds
in the
are
mid-60s inland.
slowly, not longer
North winds
chirping.
5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 90%.
But yeah, the place that I'm focusing you guys on, that's where the thunderstorm is coming from.
In the evening, then partly cloudy in the late evening and overnight. Lows in the upper 40s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 40%. Sunday, sunny. Highs around 60 near the lake and in the mid-60s.
Now, I swear that was lightning.
Miles an hour. Sunday night, mostly clear.
I swear that was
Lows
lightning.
in the lower 40s. Northeast winds up to 5 miles an hour, shifting to the west.
So I did bring my
Monday.
I did bring my umbrella just in case there's an emergency. Oh, yep, there's rain that's accumulating on the ground.
Southwest winds up to 10 miles an hour. Monday night,
See that?
mostly clear.
Rain on the ground.
Lows around 50. Tuesday, partly sunny. A 20% chance of light rain, showers, and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the
I
mid-70s.
think you guys are seeing
Tuesday
lightning.
night,
Always when I'm
mostly
looking
cloudy
away,
with a
dang it.
40% chance of light rain, showers,
crap.
and thunderstorms.
Special weather
Lows in
statements
the upper
being
50s.
spammed with special
Wednesday,
weather statements from AccuWeather.
20% chance of light rain, showers, and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-70s. Wednesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-50s. Thursday and Thursday night, partly cloudy. A 20% chance of light rain, showers, and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 70s. Lows in the lower 50s. Friday, partly sunny with chance of light rain, showers, and slight chance of thunderstorms.
They have New Berlin.
Highs around 70. Chance of precipitation 30%. The forecast for southeast
Alright,
Wisconsin,
so we're going to get into
including
a
Milwaukee, Waukesha,
yellow.
and Jefferson.
Well, not actually
For rest of today, cloudy.
That's
Scattered rain showers and thunderstorms early in the afternoon. Then periods of rain showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 50s near the lake and in the mid-60s inland. North winds 5 to 10
No, that's
miles an
actually
hour.
not coming from that one weather app,
90%.
that lightning app. No.
The 3 p.m. weather
storm guard
observations
from,
across Wisconsin and
replays
nearby
from-
states. In Milwaukee,
Wait.
it was cloudy.
Listen.
The temperature was 56 degrees.
You hear that? There's storm sirens. There's storm sirens. You hear that? That's. I think that's on the water, letting boaters know they have to get off. But there's storm sirens, probably coming from Milwaukee or something.
66. In West Bend, it was fair. The temperature was 63. At Madison, light rain was falling. And 67. In the Dells, it was partly sunny. And 71.
Oh, never mind. He's back
At
to
La Crosse, it was fair.
forecast.
And it was 75.
It says it will be
In
needed,
Dubuque it
so
was fair.
exciting.
And it was 77. In Waterloo it was fair and
Strong
79.
thunderstorms.
In Green Bay it was fair
No hail.
and
though.
64.
Usually on that 2-hour summary
Eagle
thing
River,
on
it was
AccuWeather,
cloudy.
it would say if there's hail
The temperature was
on
69.
that minute cast they
In
call
South
it.
Bend it was
It
fair.
would show hail. Why aren't you
79.
showing up?
In Chicago it was partly sunny and 72. At St. Louis it was mostly sunny and
Why aren't you
86.
showing up yet?
At Des Moines it was mostly
I
sunny
think my polarized
and 82.
because still
At the Twin Cities
hasn't shown up.
it was
Still
fair
white.
and 72. Once again,
that picture
at
must be
Milwaukee it was
over or
56
something.
under cloudy skies. A few marine observations. At the Sheboygan Lakeshore, the air temperature was 49. The winds were north at 9 knots,
It's getting a
gusting to
bit
10.
bad. Woo!
In McKinley Marina, the air temperature was 48. The winds were northeast at 13 knots,
Another special
gusting to
weather
14.
statement.
At the Kenosha
Not
Harbor,
any special
the air
weather
temperature was 54. The winds were east at 3 knots. Here is the nearshore marine forecast. Severe thunderstorm watch 305 in effect until 9 p.m. this evening. Through early evening, east wind 5 to 10 knots. Showers and thunderstorms.
Ego.
Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds and large hail.
Whoa!
1 foot. Tonight, north wind 5 to 10 knots backing northwest early in the morning. Showers and thunderstorms like...
You hear that? I'm not sure if you guys can hear that. Really listen. Those are storm sirens. That only happens during a
Mostly
severe
sunny.
thunderstorm.
Waves around 1 foot. Sunday night, east wind 5 to 10 knots backing northeast late in the evening, then becoming north after midnight, becoming northwest early in the morning.
So we're still in the
Mostly clear.
weathering chunk.
Waves around 1 foot. Monday, west wind 5 to 10 knots backing south late in the morning, then backing southeast
Oh.
early in the afternoon, becoming
It's hitting
south
us.
10 to 15
Rain.
knots late in the afternoon. Sunny. Waves around 1 foot. Lake Michigan forecast beyond 5 nautical miles from shore south half tonight. North winds 10 to 20 knots, becoming northwest 10 to 15 knots. Chance of rain, showers, and thunderstorms this evening. Damaging winds and large hail this evening. Waves 2 to 4 feet.
Damaging winds!
Sunday,
Damaging
north
winds and
10 to
large hail
15
this
knots,
evening.
becoming
Casually
northeast
goes
10
back
to
to
20 knots.
forecasting after.
Waves 2 to 4 feet. Sunday night, north winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming northwest 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 to 3 feet, subsiding to 1 to 2 feet. Monday, west winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming
Says
southwest
it will
10
be
to 20
needed,
knots
which
in the
means
afternoon.
that thunderstorm will
Waves
come
1
to
to 2
that
feet.
point.
This is the NOAA Weather Radio KEC 60 in Milwaukee. The current time is 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of east
Guys
central
see me
Wisconsin,
lightning?
south central
Strikes.
Wisconsin, and southeast Wisconsin. For rest of this afternoon and tonight, scattered
Imagine all these
thunderstorms
lights.
are expected for the rest of this afternoon and into the early evening hours. These will be most likely along and south of the I-94 corridor. Large hail and high winds will be the main threat, though a tornado or two is not out of the question. Frequent lightning.
Ah! We got another one! What is it? Let me see what it is.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Wildwood County in southeastern Wisconsin, western Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Geneva, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail
It's coming
damage
down.
to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Yeah, but I just want you
Locations
guys to
impacted
focus on
include
the bad.
Geneva, Rochester, Browns Lake, Bonners Lake, Como, Eagle Lake, Burlington, Waterford, Springfield, and Kansasville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Doubleheader question? Oh, I just saw that. That was lightning.
This is the NOAA Weather Radio KEC 60 in Milwaukee. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Wildwood County in southeastern Wisconsin, Western Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 4:15 p.m. At 3:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Geneva, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles.
Oh, that's that thing that they were talking about.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lake Geneva, Rochester, Browns Lake, Palmer's Lake, Como, Eagle Lake, Burlington, Waterford, Springfield, and Kansasville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. An area of strong thunderstorms will affect Wildwood and Rock counties through 4 p.m. At 3:06 p.m., strong thunderstorms were clustered near Whitewater and Janesville, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Winds in excess of 40 miles an hour and hail of typical size are possible with these storms. Locations impacted include Janesville, Lloyd, Whitewater, Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Milton, Edgerton, Evansville, East Troy, Williams Bay, Walworth, Clinton, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Orfordville, Footville, and Como. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning and heavy rain are occurring with these storms.
Cloud to ground.
Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. Storms may intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio stations and available television stations for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for south central and southeastern Wisconsin. A line of strong thunderstorms will affect Milwaukee, Racine, southeastern Waukesha, and Kenosha counties. At 3:23 p.m., radar indicated strong thunderstorms were
Whoa!
a line extending from near
I'm not sure if you guys saw that flash.
was northeast at 40 miles an hour.
Woo!
Winds in excess of 30 miles an hour and hail up to penny size are possible with these storms. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, Kenosha, Racine, Waukesha, West Dallas, Wautosa, New Berlin, Brookfield, Greenfield, Oak Creek, Mount Pleasant, Muskego, South Milwaukee, Pleasant Prairie, Cudahy, Whitefish Bay, Greenville, St. Francis, Hales Corners, and Mukwonago. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. These storms may intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio stations and available television stations for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service. If you are on or near Lake Michigan or other inland lakes, get out of the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 10 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 305, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Dane, Greene, Jefferson, Kenosha, Milwaukee, Racine, Rock,
We're in heavy rain
Walworth, and
turbulence
Waukesha,
right now.
and the following: nearshore waters from North Point Lighthouse to Wind Point, nearshore waters from Wind Point to Windsor Harbor, Illinois, Lake Michigan from North Point Light to Wind Point, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Windsor Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake,
Right next to us.
Lake Michigan from Windsor Harbor to Wilmette Harbor,
Right, the
Illinois,
red
5
part. Oh, wind
nautical miles
speed's
offshore to
picking up
Mid-Lake, and Windsor
as we
Harbor to
speak.
Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, and the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Lake, McHenry, and Winnebago. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned
time and it's going to
sources for the latest severe weather information.
rain is getting a bit harder.
This is the NOAA Weather Radio KDC 60 in Milwaukee.
Ooh, the rain is really hard.
Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Howard County in southeastern Wisconsin, western Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Geneva, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour with gust and quarter-size hail. Source, weather indicated.
Oh, crap! Now I'm going to have to,
Locations in Canton include Lake Geneva, Rochester, Round Lake, Monarch Lake, Como, Eagle Lake, Burlington, Waterford, Springfield, and Kansasville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. An area of strong thunderstorms will affect Howard and Rock counties through 4 p.m. At 3:06 p.m., strong thunderstorms were clustered near Whitewater and Janesville, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Winds in excess of 40 miles an hour and hail of typical size are possible with these storms. Locations impacted include Janesville, Boyd, Whitewater, Elkhorn, Sullivan, Lake Geneva, Hilton, Exeter, Evansville, East Troy, Williams Bay, Genoa City, Walworth, Clinton, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Orfordville, Foothill, and Como.
alright,
Frequent cloud to ground lightning can be our time of these storms. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm.
Oh!
Storms may intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio stations and available television stations for additional information.
Oh, gosh!
Warnings from the National Weather Service. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m.
Are you sure this isn't a severe thunderstorm warning? This is terrible. Oh, there's the,
Southeastern Waukesha and Kenosha counties. At 3:23 p.m., weather indicated strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mugwanago to Gages Lake. Movement was northeast at 40 miles an hour. Winds in excess of 30 miles an hour and hail up to penny size are possible with these storms. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, Kenosha, Racine, Waukesha, West Allis, Wautosa, New Berlin, Brookfield, Greenfield, Oak Creek, Mount Pleasant, Mosquito, South
Yeah, that's Mosquito.
Pleasant Prairie, Cudahy, Whitefish Bay, Greendale, St. Francis, Hales Corners, and Mugwanago. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms.
Right? It's the seat heater's
Lightning can
on.
strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. These storms may intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio stations and available television stations for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service. If you are on or near Lake Michigan or other inland lakes, get out of the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 10 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 305, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Dean, Greene, Jefferson, Kenosha, Milwaukee, Racine, Rock, Walworth, and Waukesha, and the following: nearshore waters from North Point Lighthouse to Wind Point, nearshore waters from Wind Point to Windsor Harbor, Illinois, Lake Michigan from North Point Lake to Wind Point, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Windsor Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, Lake Michigan from Windsor Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, and Windsor Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, and the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Lake, McHenry, and Winnebago. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 4:15 p.m. At 3:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Geneva, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lake Geneva, Rochester, Browns Lake, Bonners Lake, Como, Eagle Lake, Burlington,
Just wait till the
Waterford,
Special
Springfield,
Marines
and
warnings
Kansasville.
are gonna come.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. An area of strong thunderstorms will affect Wallard and Rock counties through 4 p.m. At 3:06 p.m., strong thunderstorms were clustered near Whitewater and Janesville, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Winds in excess of 40 miles an hour and hail at typical size are possible with these storms. Locations impacted include Janesville, Flint, Whitewater, Elkhorn, Gilliland, Lake Geneva, Milton, Edgerton, Evansville, East Troy, Williams Bay, General City, Walworth, Clinton, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon,
Yeah, my battery pack went weird. Yeah, look at that. He got off the water.
storms. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. Storms intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio stations and available television stations for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for south central and southeastern Wisconsin. A line of strong thunderstorms will affect
Thunderstorm
Milwaukee,
will be named
Racine,
Thunderstorm
southeastern
Genesis.
Waukesha, and Kenosha counties. At 3:23 p.m., radar indicated strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mugwanago to Gages Lake. Movement was northeast at 40 miles an hour. Winds in excess of 30 miles an hour and hail up to penny size are possible with these storms. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, Kenosha, Racine, Waukesha, West Allis, Wauwatosa, Vernon, Brookfield, Greenfield, Oak Creek, Mount Pleasant, Muskego, South Milwaukee, Pleasant Prairie, Cudahy, Whitefish Bay, Greendale, St. Francis, Hales Corners, and Mugwanago. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. These storms may intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio stations and available television stations for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service.
Alright guys, I'll
If you are
be
on
right
Lake
back.
Michigan or other inland lakes, get out of the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 10 miles from the parent thunderstorm.
Just in case my phone goes off.
Thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
See you on the flip side.
Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 305, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. for east central Walworth, western Racine, and northwestern Kenosha counties. At 3:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Browns Lake, or 10 miles northeast of Lake Geneva, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations intended include Rochester, Browns Lake, Bonners Lake, Eagle Lake, Burlington,
Oh, frick.
Kansasville.
Why is my seat heater keep getting turned on?
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 305, effective until 9 p.m.
Plug it in.
This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Wayne, Greene, Jefferson, Kenosha, Milwaukee, Racine, Rock, Walworth, and Waukesha, and the following: nearshore waters from North Point Lighthouse to Wind Point, nearshore waters from Wind Point to Windsor Harbor, Illinois, Lake Michigan from North Point Light to Wind Point, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Windsor Harbor, internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is the NOAA weather.
Oh, here comes another one.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for
Yep, told you.
near shore
Here
and
comes
open
the
waters
special
to Big
marine
Lake from
warning.
North Point Lake, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois until 5:45 p.m. At 3:46 p.m., an area of severe thunderstorms was located near Pleasant Prairie and Union Grove, moving east at 25.